Harvesting day. Today I will be doing harvesting. I will be harvesting my tomatoes. May the good God bless every one of us. Handwork. Since I was born, it's now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. Brother, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. Since I was born, it's now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. I have never seen my Lord change it. This one is too, it has many things, many fruits. So it's not able to stay on the wood. Some of them fall down. I did not even come quickly to do the harvesting. Okay, today I'm here for this. I'm here. If you don't harvest them quickly, they will go bad too. All the work will be wasted, you know. After planting, you have to have time also to harvest them. This one is very beautiful. Look at it. Very beautiful. In Africa, we used to leave it on the ground, but here you have to tie it to wood. That is how they do it here in Italy. The way of cultivating is different. Just only this wood, how many I got? Oh my God. Here they are just really many. Just imagine this year, many things were not too good, but something you will always harvest if you plant something. Look at it. Under only 2-3 plants, my basin is already full, eh? Oh my God, oh. Tomatoes is very expensive here now. Even though we are still in the summertime, tomatoes is very, very expensive. August harvesting time. When you put this one in the mouth, the taste is different because they are matured on their plants. They are matured. The perfume here alone, oh my God, the tomatoes, natural perfume. Ah. Oh my God. Doing farming give work because at times the grass will grow more than your crops. Oh wow, look, very beautiful. Look at it, step by step. You have to tie it to this wood. You have to tie it. It gives work because you have to remove grass. But look at this, how the step, you know. Let me show you well. Okay, this is one plant. This is the first part on the same plant. Then this is the second step. Then there are other steps that are not get ripe, you know. With only one seed of tomatoes, you will get plenty tomatoes. If you have space on your house, what are you doing with that space? You can also cultivate something for eating. If you have backyard, how do they call it? You can also cultivate something. Tomatoes, simple things that are not too difficult, you know. Oh my God, my basil is already full. Oh, my basil is already full. These big ones will full it quickly. Oh, my basil is already full. Let me add this small. Look at this. This is another type too. This is another type. We have this type too in Africa. Look at it. It's only one plant. That's the first step. This is the second step. Look at this one at the back too. Look at this one too. Okay. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. I have never seen my Lord change it. Brother, have you seen? No. No. I have never seen my Lord change it. You know, when one is harvesting, one is very happy. So you can also sing to Almighty God that give everything. Just imagine you will plant one seed of tomatoes. It will give you many. Can man do that? No, man can never do that. We have to give glory to the Almighty God, yes. The giver of life, the giver of good things, the giver of everything. Since I was born. Now I will leave this one a little to get more ripe. I know the one we buy in the market. they are like that. Oh. But when you plant your own, you will leave it to ripe to get all the vitamin. Oh my God. Oh my God. Today is harvesting day. The one I will be able to harvest today, and not all of them, because just imagine I have not started. My basil is already full. My basil is already full. Okay, let me. Our God is a good God, the giver of all good things. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. I have never seen my Lord change it. Brother, have you seen? No. Look at it, very big. Oh my God. I have different type. Here I have about 3 types of tomatoes. Look at this one. It's a different type. Look at this one. It's another type. Then look at all this one. I have 3 types here of tomatoes. They are all amazing. They are all delicious. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. There is another type too. Let's see. Okay. There is another type too. Look at this type too. There is another type. Oh my God. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. I have never seen my Lord change it. Brother, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. Sister, have you seen? No, 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 no. Wow, very beautiful. Oh, I have mashed that one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. Sister, have you seen? Oh, this one is very big. It's between the rope and the, oh, how it comes. It comes bad. Like, how will I be able to remove it? Okay, I have to remove this rope first. Okay, I will do that. Let's go to the next one. Nature is beautiful. Nature is very good. Our good God is a good God, the giver of all good things. Okay. This one. Oh, the wood fall on the ground. But I can still have some good ones here. Oh my God. The wood fall on the ground. It's breeze that do this work. It's breeze that do this work. No problem. Okay, look at this one. My basil is already full. Let me take another. Okay, let me start from here again. Look at this one. Oh my God. These ones, they are small, but they are delicious. They are very, very delicious. It's the small type. This one is the small type. They are very, very delicious. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. Look at it, very beautiful. I have never seen my Lord change it. Brother, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. Wow, very beautiful. Brother, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Many have not ripe yet, but it's better I start removing the one that have ripe. Sister, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. Sister, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. Tomatoes is one of the crops we enjoy when we plant. Well, if we are able to plant it and get something. We use tomatoes a lot in many ways. Tomatoes can be used to cook stew, can be used to, we can eat it like that as salad. Tomatoes, oh my God, very beautiful. Tomatoes can be, if you want to cook our owo, if you want to cook at times egusi soup, pepper soup, tomatoes is ways of using tomatoes is a very large way. We use tomatoes in many things. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. Oh, look at this plant too. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Since I was born, now I am old. I have never seen my Lord change it. I have never seen my Lord change it. Brother, have you seen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have never seen my Lord change it. I have never seen my Lord change it. We thank the good God for everything, the giver of all good things.